Now, the first really important thing when you're starting an affiliate marketing business is having a domain name and hosting. Having a website or a domain is really important because you'll need that to get accepted to a lot of the different affiliate networks such as Amazon and Walmart and a lot of other affiliate networks out there that you might want to join. And if you want to use my favorite company that I use for domain names, you can check out the link down in the description or in one of the pinned comments. Now, the importance of having a website is that you'll need a website to get accepted to many of the different affiliate networks out there that give you products or services that you can promote and earn commissions from. For example, Amazon is a huge affiliate network that pays out tons of money of commissions. Hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars are paid out by Amazon to different affiliate partners, but you need a domain name to be able to resell Amazon's products and earn commissions from them.